Hello, friends. Welcome back to Boost English Channel. I'm Penny, your friendly yellow pencil. I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Inko, the blue pen who still can't learn English fast enough. Seriously, Penny, I feel like a slow-loading website.
Don't worry, Inko. Today we're going to fix that because our topic is very powerful. How to learn English 10 times faster. The secret method nobody teaches you.
When I hear secret method, my pen heart starts beating faster. Is it really a secret?
It's a method that many successful learners use, but most schools never teach. And today, we're going to explain everything step by step.
Great. And friends, if you like this kind of podcast, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who also wants to learn English faster.
Yes, your support means the world to us. Now, let's begin.
Penny, can I confess something?
Of course, Inko. What is it?
I study English every day, but sometimes I feel like nothing changes. I feel stuck, like I'm running, but staying in the same place.
Inko, many learners feel this way. And there are 3 big reasons why learning feels slow.
Only 3? I thought I had at least 10 problems.
Reason number 1, you learn too many random things. One day grammar, next day new words, then slang, then a podcast. Your brain can't build a strong system.
Oh, that's exactly what I do.
Reason number 2, you don't repeat enough. Seeing a phrase one time is not enough. The brain needs multiple small repetitions.
Yes, my brain likes to delete everything.
Reason number 3, you don't use the language actively, meaning you don't speak enough.
Guilty. I understand everything, but when I try to speak, my brain leaves the chat.
Exactly. The secret method we'll share will fix all 3 problems.
Okay, Penny, what's the first step?
The first step is to change how you think about English. Stop learning English like a school subject. Start learning English like a daily tool.
Like my phone.
Yes, you don't study your phone, you use it every day. When English becomes something you use, not something you memorize, your progress gets much faster.
This already sounds easier than grammar books.
Now, let's talk about the first principle of fast learning. Focus on high-frequency English.
High frequency, like common words?
Exactly. Phrases we use all the time, like, I think so, I'm not sure, that sounds great, let me see.
Oh, those are the phrases I hear everywhere.
Yes, because they are the real English of daily conversation. If you learn these, your English grows faster than learning rare words like photosynthesis.
So instead of difficult vocabulary, I should learn simple, useful phrases.
Exactly. Less but more powerful.
Okay, what's the next principle?
Principle 2. Repeat smart, not hard.
Explain.
Don't repeat something 100 times in one day. Repeat it a few times today, a few times tomorrow, a few times next week. Your brain loves small, spaced repetitions.
Like training a muscle, small, regular exercise.
Exactly. It's better to study 20 minutes every day than 3 hours once a week.
Good. I can handle 20 minutes. I cannot handle 3 hours.
Principle 3 is powerful. Listen, read, speak, and review all from the same material.
Why from the same material?
Because when you see the same language in different ways, your brain learns faster. One podcast can become listening practice. reading practice, speaking practice, and vocabulary practice.
So one video becomes 4 lessons?
Exactly.
Okay, Penny, I'm ready for the secret.
Here it is, the 4-block Daily English Boost. Every day, you do 4 small blocks of English. Block 1, mind warm-up, think in English for 5 minutes. Block 2, smart input, listen and read for about 15 minutes. Block 3, active speaking, speak or shadow for 10 to 15 minutes. Block 4, quick review. Review useful phrases for 5 to 10 minutes.
That's it? 4 blocks?
Yes, but when you combine them every day, your progress becomes much faster.
What do I do in the warm-up?
You simply think in English about your life. Simple sentences. For example, I'm waking up, I feel sleepy, I want coffee, I have work today.
So I don't have to be perfect?
No, you only need to get your brain into English mode.
That sounds easy. Just 5 minutes of simple thoughts in English.
Exactly. After some time, thinking in English will feel more natural and faster. Next is smart input, listening and reading something you understand.
Like this podcast?
Exactly. Watch or listen to something with subtitles. First, listen only. Second, listen and read at the same time. Third, choose 3 to 5 useful phrases from what you heard.
Only 3 to 5?
Yes, you don't need 50 new words from one video. You need just a few powerful phrases that you can really remember and use.
I like this. My brain likes few but useful.
Good. That's the idea. Less, but deeper.
Okay, here's the scary part.
Don't worry. The next block is active speaking, but it doesn't have to be scary. You can practice speaking alone.
Alone? Like talking to myself?
Yes, you are your best practice partner. There are 2 ways, shadowing and free speaking.
What is shadowing?
Shadowing means you listen to a short piece of audio and repeat it quickly, almost at the same time. You are like a shadow of the speaker.
Oh, so if the speaker says, I don't know, I quickly say, I don't know, right after?
Exactly. You copy the rhythm, the pronunciation, and the music of the sentence. It's very good for your speaking.
And free speaking?
Free speaking is when you just talk out loud about your day, your plans, your feelings, anything. For example, today was busy, I went to work, I bought coffee, I watched the video in English, I feel tired but happy.
Like that?
Yes, simple English, no stress. The goal is to connect your brain and your mouth in English.
So, 10 to 15 minutes of shadowing and free speaking every day can really change my level?
Yes, this is one of the biggest secrets. Most learners only listen and read. They don't speak. If you speak daily, even alone, your progress will be much faster.
Okay, I'm nervous, but I'm also excited.
That's a good combination. Nervous and excited means you are growing. Finally, you review the 3 to 5 phrases you chose earlier. This is quick review.
What do I do in quick review?
You read the phrases again, you say them out loud, and you make simple sentences with them.
So if the phrase is, I didn't expect that, I can say, the rain came early. I didn't expect that. And this podcast is helpful. I didn't expect that.
Perfect. This way, your brain sees and hears the phrase again. It becomes stronger in your memory.
So does this really make me 10 times faster?
Maybe not exactly 10 times for everyone, but the improvement is huge because you repeat the right things, you speak every day, you use English actively, you build strong memory patterns.
It feels possible, not scary.
Exactly. This method is simple but powerful. Here's a typical day using this method. You spend 5 minutes in the morning thinking in English. Later, you spend about 15 minutes watching or listening to something in English and reading subtitles. Then, you spend 10 to 15 minutes speaking, shadowing, and free talking. And at the end of the day, you spend 5 to 10 minutes reviewing your phrases.
That's like 35 to 40 minutes total.
Yes, and you don't need to do it all at once. You can split it into morning, afternoon, and evening.
I like this. It feels possible for a busy person.
That's very important. A good method must be possible in real life.
Penny, what if someone misses a day or two?
That's okay. You don't need perfection. You just need to come back. Progress comes from many small, imperfect days.
I'm great at imperfect days.
And that is enough. Friends, thank you for learning with us today. We hope this method helps you learn English faster and with more confidence.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like, subscribe, and share the video with someone who also wants to improve their English.
And tell us in the comments, which block is easiest for you? Which block is hardest?
We read every comment.
And remember,
Don't chase perfection, chase connection. See you next time.
bye friends.